Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Shareplay on PlayStation 5. Let's go. Press PlayStation button. Game base. Start party. Invite players. Choose your friend. Invite. After your friend accepts the invitation, you can start Shareplay. If your friend creates Shareplay, you just need to accept the invitation. You need a PlayStation Plus subscription. That's it. Now you know how to use Shareplay on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.